Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we make very easy and simple dishes which can be easily done at home. We encourage home cooking. Simple dishes like this, pinwheel omelette, a simple omelette but presented in a stylish way. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. Some eggs. Now you don't have to write the ingredients now, I will give you a list later. Just enjoy the cooking experience. Some salt, some maida or all-purpose flour, milk, parsley leaves, and some bell peppers, green and red. Let's get started. I have thinly sliced the bell peppers and chopped the parsley leaves. Now we are going to separate the egg whites from the yolk. This is a tricky job but very easily done. Take the whites out first and then take the yolks in the next bowl. Now add some salt. Now in a cup add some milk and the maida or all-purpose flour. We are going to make a thick paste out of these. I am adding a bit more maida to make the paste more thicker. See, this is the consistency. Next step, gently whisk the egg white and the yolks separately and then add the maida paste in both the bowls. Now go to the next step. Heat a pan, flat pan, and add some oil. Brush it all over so that the oil is uniformly spread. Quickly check the heat, it has to be mild. Whisk it before pouring because we have added 1/3 cup of maida paste to make it thick. Now gradually pour this to make a flat layer on the pan, and from one side push it so that you have a straight line. That will help you to go to the next step. Now just push the egg to find out if it is done. It will become thick. If required, add some oil and then very gently make folds like this and push the egg behind. Add some oil in the front and again whisk and pour some egg yolk and flour paste. Now why do we need to whisk every time? Because the maida paste is heavy, so it settles at the bottom of the bowl. So every time before pouring you need to whisk. It's a very low temperature dish, so you have to wait for the egg to thicken. It will take some time. When you find that the egg is moving, that means it's thickened from below. You can add again the last bit of it, the egg yolk, and give folds. You have to see that it's thickened from the bottom, but it is still a bit soft at the top. Then you fold. Now it's turn for egg white. This also we will whisk because we have also added 1/3 cup of maida paste in it. See that the layers of white and yolk overlap, otherwise it will break. Now add the thin sliced bell peppers one after another. Just lay them like this, both the colors, and sprinkle some chopped parsley leaves on it. Allow it to thicken from the bottom while it is still soft at the top as usual, and then give a fold. Again repeat the same thing. Do subscribe to our channel The Purple Box if you have not done it yet to get some interesting recipes like this. Do like this video by pressing the thumbs up button below to let us know that you have enjoyed this video. At The Purple Box, we make easy, simple and interesting dishes like this pinwheel omelette. A simple omelette but presented in a very different way. Now for the last fold, you do it a bit early while it is still quite soft, and push all the oil in the pan for it to get cooked, and at the end give another flip and allow it to cook for some time to ensure that the whole thing is cooked properly. As promised, I am giving you the list of ingredients now. Take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to this later, or even share it with your loved ones who would love to do this dish. Now it's ready. Take it out and allow it to cool down for 5 minutes. After that, make 1-inch cuts like this. It has to be done very softly and very gently, otherwise you will not get a good shape. Our pinwheel omelette is done. Now take them out on a serving dish. I'm sure your friends, your family, everybody would love it. You can serve it in breakfast. I have done it for my Sunday breakfast today. You also do it, and in the comment section do write how your family enjoyed it.